VICTOG.com.
Okay, next one is a type of a statement question using statement problem. The question here is, a manufacturer of TV sets, a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year, 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year, assuming that the production increases uniformly, assuming the production being increasing uniformly, by a fixed number every year, Find out, first one, the production in the first year. First part, find the production in the first year. This is the first part. Second part, the production in the 10th year. The production in the 10th year. And the third part, the total production in first 7 years. Third part, the total production in the first 7 years. We have to find out these three parts. It is given the manufacturer produced 600 sets in the third year means A3 is equal to 7. Third term of the arithmetic progression is 600. A3 is equal to 600. The formula for finding A3 is A plus 2D. That is, A plus 2D is equal to 600. Now, the production in the 7th year is equal to 700 means A7 is equal to 700. A7 is equal to 700. That is, the formula of A7, 7th term, is A plus 6D is equal to 700. Now, we can solve these two equations using elimination method. For that, we are changing the sign of all the terms of any one of the two equations. We are changing the sign minus A, minus 2D, minus 600. Now adding minus A and A will get cancelled. Minus 2D plus 6D is equal to 4D. 700 minus 600 is equal to 100. Therefore, D is equal to 100 by 4 means D is equal to 25. We get the common difference D as 25. Now, we have to find out the production in the first year means first term of the AP. For that, we are taking the equation A plus 2D is equal to 600. A plus 2D is equal to 600. Instead of D, we can put the value D is equal to 25. A plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600. A plus 2 into 25, 50 is equal to 600. Therefore, A is equal to 600 minus 50. A is equal to 550. This is the first answer, the answer of the first part. First part answer, production in the first year. Production in the first year is equal to 550. 550. Now, we have to find out the production in the 10th year means A10. 10th term of the arithmetic progression. Production in the 10th year. Production in the 10th year. A10 is equal to, formula is A plus 9D. A means first term, production in the first year, it is 550 plus 9 into the value of D is 25. 550 plus 225, adding it is 775 is the production in the 10th year, a 10 of the 10th term of the arithmetic progression. Now, the third part is we have to find out the total production in the first 7 years. Total production in the first 7 years. Here we can use the formula S7 is equal to n by 2 into A1 plus A7. We can use this formula. An means last term means production in the 7th year. The value of n is 7. 7 by 2 into A1. We are knowing the production in the first year, that is A1 is equal to 550 plus A7 is given in the question itself, 7th term, A7 is equal to 700. Now, 7 by 2 into 700 plus 550. 1250. Cancelling 2 and 1250, we will get 7 into 625. The answer is 4,375 is the total production of TV sets in 7 years is 4,375. That means S7, we are using here the formula S7 is equal to n by 2 into A1 plus AN. AN means last term, that is the 7th term. A1 is 550, we had already find out. Then A7 is equal to 700, it is given in the question. So 7 by 2, n is 7. The value of n is equal to 7. Therefore, n by 2 is 7 by 2, A1 550, A7 700. Adding 700 and 550, it is 1250. Cancelling 2 and 1250, it is 625. Now 7 into 625 is equal to 4,375 is the answer. That means total production of the first 7 years is 4,375 TV sets. Okay.